The side hustle you're not doing that could make you $5,000 a month, and it's easy. You've probably noticed many people around you doing something a little extra these days. Your neighbor walks dogs on her spare time, your coworker sells crafts online, and your cousin somehow became a weekend photographer. This is the beauty of the side hustle. With rising costs and economic uncertainty, having multiple income streams just makes sense. Small or medium-sized business (SMB) owners know this better than anyone. When main revenue dips during slow seasons, side hustles can keep the lights on. Side hustles have become popular for good reason. They provide extra income and create a financial safety net. Some people even discover passions that grow into something bigger. If you're thinking about picking up a side gig or trying something new, now is a great time to start. The right tools and a bit of creativity can create real opportunities that fit into your life, not the other way around. What we'll cover: what is a side hustle? Why start a side hustle? How to choose the right side hustle. Top side hustle ideas that make money. Tools and resources to help the hustle. Turn your side hustle ideas into reality. What is a side hustle? A side hustle, slang for a side job, is any money-making activity you do outside your regular job. It's different from getting a second job because you're in control. You decide when to work, what to charge, and which projects to take on. It can take on many forms, making it a great way to bring in supplemental income. Some people use side hustles to explore business ideas without quitting their day job. Some have passions that they want to carry out. Others just want extra cash for vacations or to pay down debt faster. The real question everyone asks is, how do people find the time? Here's the truth: they don't find time, they make it. And technology helps. A lot. You can now schedule social media posts while watching TV, answer client emails from your phone during lunch, or let artificial intelligence, AI, handle your appointment bookings automatically. What's even better is how accessible side hustles have become. Technology has taken down many of the old barriers. You don't need expensive equipment or complex setups anymore. AI tools can help you write better content, handle customer support 24/7, and even manage your schedule. Start with SMB basics. Astro holds a small and medium business trends report. Get the free small and medium business trends report. Illustrations showcasing artificial intelligence, AI, tools for small businesses. AI for small business: how to choose your tech stack. Win more deals with Salesforce Starter Suite. How to automate your small business, AI tips and tools. Why start a side hustle? The obvious answer is to earn extra money. But there's more to it than that. Maybe you're already running a small business and know how unpredictable income can be. A side hustle gives you something to fall back on during any slow months as well. Or perhaps you're curious about a different industry but don't want to abandon your current career just yet. The thing about side hustles is they're surprisingly flexible. You might start tutoring math because you're good at it, then discover you actually love creating educational content. Or begin flipping furniture for extra cash and end up with a thriving restoration business. And every new skill you pick up, whether it's learning digital marketing for your dog walking side gig or basic graphic design for your consulting work, makes you more valuable in your main career, too. How to choose the right side hustle. Before you jump into selling non-fungible tokens, NFTs, because your neighbor made $5,000 last month, let's talk about finding something that actually works for you. Start with what you already know. Teaching, designing, caring for pets, your everyday skills can go a long way. Be realistic about your time. Choose something that fits your schedule, not the other way around. Do a little research. Some ideas need tools or gear, others just need Wi-Fi and a bit of creativity. Here's a reality check: the most sustainable side hustles are usually service-based or digital. Things like consulting, online courses, or digital products tend to stick around longer than trendy one-off gigs. But you're here to pave your own way. So let's dig into the top side gigs you can start today. Trailhead, Salesforce for small business. Learn how your business can benefit from this out-of-the-box CRM. Visit Trail. Plus 200 points. Salesforce for small business. Top side hustle ideas that make money. We compiled the top side hustle ideas to make extra money while still running your business, and you'd be surprised at how easy some of them are. These ideas can easily fit into your schedule and help you earn more, fast. Here are 10 real ways to get started on your side job. 1. Freelance writing. Are you good with words? Freelance writing involves creating content for businesses, blogs, websites, and marketing materials. It offers a flexible schedule, lets you work from anywhere, and provides income that scales with your expertise. Popular types of freelance writing that pay well. Technical and medical writing. Translate complex information into a language people understand. Companies need this badly and pay well for it. SEO copywriting. Help websites show up on search engines with optimized content across multiple channels. Businesses love it because it brings in customers without paying for advertising. Grant writing. Prepare a request for funding for a grant-making organization by demonstrating why the project is important and worthy of support. When you win them funding, they're happy to pay you well. Ghostwriting. Write content anonymously for other businesses or entrepreneurs. From memoirs to speeches, those who can't write well but need content will pay good money. Academic writing. Formally write educational and scholarly contexts like well-researched arguments, analysis, and information, often following specific citation guidelines. If you have the background knowledge, there's steady work here. Script writing. Create a written script that outlines the dialogue, actions, and scenes for a video, podcast, resource, or other audio content. Start with smaller projects, build a portfolio, and rates improve quickly. Financial writing. Write about financial information, analysis, and advice, including creating reports, articles, and documents that explain financial data, market trends, and investment strategies for growth purposes. The more you know about finance, the more valuable your writing becomes. Corporate and legal writing. Create documents, like contracts, that are used in business and legal contexts, characterized by formal tone, precision, and adherence to specific legal and corporate standards. The stakes are high, so the pay matches the responsibility. Ways to start. Start by creating a portfolio of your best writing samples. You can write for free or for lower-paying contracts initially to build up your portfolio. Consider writing blog posts, articles, or even creating sample pieces that showcase your skills in different writing styles and industries. Create a professional website or use a platform like LinkedIn to showcase your writing skills and portfolio. Make sure your online presence is polished and includes a clear list of your services, rates, and contact information. You can also join freelance writing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, or Fiverr to find clients.